So children, in fractions, today we are going to learn descending order. Arrange the following in descending order and these are the numbers given. So what is our first step? To make the denominators equal. 2 by 7, 11 by 35, 9 by 14, 13 by 28. So I have taken the denominators here and now I am going to find the LCM. So 2 7s are 14, 2 14s are 28. 7 and 35 will not go into, so 2 7s are 14. Then 5 7s are 35 and then 7 1s are 7. So our LCM is 2 into 2 into 5 into 7, which is equal to 140. So our LCM is 140. Now we have to change all these numbers into equivalent fractions with denominator 140. So now 2 by 7 has to be made 140. So with what we will multiply 7, that we will get 140. 7 into 20. 7 into 20 is 140. So 2 into 20 is 40. So we have converted 2 by 7. Next is 11 by 35 should be made 140 as the denominator. Now 35 into what will give you 140? So if you have troubleshooting this, so we can do one trick. Here already in the denominator 35 is there. So 7 5s are 35. Remove that. What is remaining? 2 2s are 4. That means 35 into 4 is 140. So 11 4s are is 44. Next comes 9 by 14. We all know 14 tens are is 140 children. So 9 tens are is 90. And next is 13 by 28 has to be converted with 140 as denominator. So now 28 multiplied by what will give you 140? So 28. So let us see. 28 is already here in the denominator's place. 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28. So already 28 is here. So what is missing? Into 5. So 13 5s are is 65. So now we have converted all the numbers into equivalent fractions with denominator as 140. So now when the denominators are equal, we have to just see the numerator. And what is descending order? Descending order means placing the numbers from big to small. So which is the highest number here? 90. Second is 65. Third is 44 and fourth is 40. So what is 90 by 140 original number? 9 by 14. 65 by 140 is 13 by 28. 44 by 140 is 11 by 35. And 40 by 140 is 2 by 7. So these are the numbers in descending order. Let us move to the next sum. So children, our next sum in descending order. 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. So let us make the denominators equal. For that we have to find LCM 9, 3 and 21. So here there are no even numbers. So we cannot start with 2. Let us start with 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. 3 1s are 3 and 7 1s are 7. So our LCM is 3 into 3 into 7, which is 63. 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. So we will make the denominators equal. 63 should be our denominator. Now 2 by 9, what will give you 63? 9 into 7. Yes, 9 7s are 63. So 2 7s are is 14. Next 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is equal to dash by 63. Now 3 into what will give you 63? So suppose 3 is already here. So 7 3s are 21. So 3 into 21 will give you 63. So 2 into 21 will give you 42. Next 8 by 21. So 21 into what is 63 children? So 7 3s are 21 is already here. So 21 into 3 is 63. So 8 into 3 is 24. So you have converted all these numbers, the denominators as 63. Now descending order means what? Yes, descending order means big to small. So which is the biggest number here? 42, then 24 and then 14. So what is 42 by 63? It is 2 by 3. 24 by 63 is 8 by 21 and 14 by 63 is 2 by 9. So hope you understood the sum, children. Thank you.